What's up, guys? Got a special car to show you back here. We are out here at the back shop, JDM Global. Multiple GTRs out here. Little GTI over here. That one's not a shop car though or anything. This silver one's gonna be outfitted with some cool stuff. I'll let Doston tell you about that on his channel at some point whenever he's ready. But this one, beautiful car. I think maybe still available for sale. But the ones I want to share are these midnight purple R34 GTRs back here. Specifically this one, honestly. This one over here is a special car. 2.8 liter, mine's built, completely refurbished on the exterior and the paint and the interior by Garage Yoshida out of Nara. They trailered it up here today, dropped it off. It is already spoken for. It is not for sale. But my goodness, this is probably close to $1 million car sitting here. Like I said, it has the RB26 that's been bored out to the 28, 2.8 liter. It has mine's parts all over it, including the spoiler, the trunk lip. This is one of the cleanest midnight purple R34 GTRs I have ever witnessed in person. Fully kitted out with the Z-Tune parts. Let's take a look under the hood. Look at the brakes on that thing too, goodness. Absolutely insane. Just the detail and the amount of work that's gone into this car. Picking up where we left off from earlier. Big day today, lots of very big names here. Doston's here, JDM Masters guys from Australia are here. Tommyfyeah was here earlier with his guys. But this right here is a pretty big project that's about to go underway. Big collaboration between Garage Defend, JDM Global, and JDM Masters from Australia. This car has nothing to do with this, but it is a beautiful black car. This is the main car to focus on here for this JDM Masters, JDM Global, Garage Defend collaboration. They just spoke about it on the Garage Defend YouTube channel. That video will be coming out if it's not already out. This is a very high grade car that was sourced from the auction for this specific purpose. It is going to be basically a custom built GTR, a one-of-one collaboration between Garage Defend, JDM Global, JDM Masters, with these beautiful carbon fiber parts that you see over here. from JDM Masters. Beautiful carbon fiber parts. Now this collaboration is going to go hand in hand, like I said, with those companies mentioned, and also Garage Yoshida in Nara is going to be doing the restoration work on the car. They did the restoration work on this car that I was showing off earlier. We'll finish looking at that here in a moment. But this is going to be a very, I don't know, a very exciting, very rare build in the beginning of the brand of Garage Defend, JDM Global, and JDM Masters. There's going to be something special here in the future, similar to Nismo CRS cars and things like that. You might see in the future cars branded as, you know, the Garage Defend brand with serial numbers and things like that. It's an exciting time. Go listen to their YouTube video about it on their channel. So much work put into this car. So clean, so valuable, so beautiful. An absolute monster of a car. And again, this one was completely redone by Garage Yoshida in Nara and then built by Mines. Not many cars out there of this quality. Again, this is just kind of a behind the scenes look of the video that was just filmed for the Garage Defend channel, so far as getting some B-roll action shots of the cars that are out here and the parts. When a car out here is of this caliber, everybody has to get plenty of pictures and videos of it, because it's not every day you see something of that caliber. You know, instead of just videoing it, let's go ahead and have a seat in this Mines built, Yoshida built, Garage Defend built R34 GTR. Interior is absolutely gorgeous on this thing. Got the suede or Alcantara, whatever you want to call that interior, on the door panels as well. Pretty wild and crazy day, honestly. Very busy. Lots of very important people came to the shop today. Lots of very famous builders here in Japan and abroad in other countries. It was a great day to experience some amazing cars with some amazing people. I don't even remember everything I've talked about in this video. I know that Garage Yoshida took the red R34 GTR down, and they're going to be doing a similar build to the one back here behind me, with all of the, you know, completely refinishing everything, kind of restoring it to brand new condition, I guess. And then it's going to get some building done to it as well. They took it down, loaded up. I love Japanese tow trucks. The way that tow truck picked it up was freaking awesome. Yeah, I wish we had tow trucks like that in America, honestly. But absolutely fun, awesome day here at the shop. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and getting to see some of these cars. We will be doing some more videos before we get out of here. I guess see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.